My name is Michelle Itano, and I'm the director of the Neuroscience Microscopy Core at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Our core is primarily located on the 5th floor of the newly renovated Mary Ellen Jones building, and I'm excited to tell you about some of the ways that our core can support your research. Our core provides access to a full spectrum of advanced systems for imaging with light microscopy and focuses on providing individualized training and consultation for all steps in an imaging project.
There you go. You might want to refocus.
Oh, this is really beautiful.
We evaluate and implement new technologies by organizing demonstrations and developing new bioimaging pipelines for both common and customized applications.
Trying to keep track of how people are actually using it, so if anything comes to mind that you're just like, hey.
As a Chan Zuckerberg Initiative imaging scientist, I'm also really grateful to be part of a program that connects and empowers scientists to develop new tools and techniques. This support has enabled our core to become a hub of imaging expertise to our local community, but also connected us with imaging experts around the world.
And Michelle has helped train pretty much everyone in my lab. And this is just taking a burden off of me so that I don't have to train them, but they can learn from really a world-leading expert in microscopy directly, who can just take the time to make sure that we're using the best techniques possible.
Here at the UNC Neuroscience Microscopy Core, we're excited to work with you and encourage you to check out our website and reach out to discuss how we can support your imaging needs.